Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing introduction to asymptotic notation. In computer science, we write many algorithms. We write many algorithms. For what? For a given problem. Here the problem is, you assume it as sorting problem. So for a sorting problem we write many algorithms. Okay, right. So among those many algorithms, which algorithm is the best algorithm? Which algorithm is the best algorithm? That is what our important concern. Important concern. So to identify the best algorithm, from all algorithms written for a given problem, what we do? We do analysis on algorithms, right? Now, so there are two aspects in the analysis of algorithm. Very important. There are two aspects in the analysis of algorithm, right? So very first one is space complexity and second one is time complexity. Now this space complexity hasn't been given importance because there exists no strict storage considerations. There exists no strict storage considerations. We have got lot of memory nowadays, so that's why there exists no storage considerations which we had at earliest days of computer science, right? So now space complexity hasn't been given importance. Why? Because no storage considerations. But these storage considerations were there at earliest days of computer science. So at that time, this space complexity had been given an importance, right? Now coming to time complexity. Now this time complexity has gained importance. Why it has gained importance? Because the performance of the system. Because the performance of the computer system depends upon the time complexity of the algorithm written for given problem. Okay, right. Time complexity of algorithm or algorithms. It is being used, very important, to represent time complexity of algorithm. It is being used a notation called asymptotic notation, which is again classified into three. First one, big O, denoted by this particular symbol. Next, big omega represented by this particular symbol and big theta represented by this particular symbol, right? In the next video we'll be discussing more details about asymptotic notation followed by one of the notations called big O notation. Okay, thank you.